Ogboge story standby. My people, I'd already give up from Nigeria. Because this godfatherism as a thing where they happen for Nigeria now, he don't make Nigeria not go fit settle again for life. Because now, because of those godfatherism something, if they make person wey be say he marry something, he no fit come fight for wetin he married, he no fit come fight for a qualification to get office without godfatherism. This godfatherism, he don't make Nigeria to become a mehu deho. We no go fit settle again. For that reason, I don't give up for Nigeria. Because this thing is getting out of hand. Check all the country today. Nigeria has been only the country where we say, man, it can never settle for life. Because why? As they kick kidnapper, they arrest kidnapper, they still they kidnap. As they beat, they kill, they arrest people where they do money ritual, they still they thief babies, they thief children, they still they kidnap. Tell me how the country want to survive. Man, it did very, very sad. It just they come to my notice now, say, man, fubara, the Port Harcourt state governor go submit 2025 budget for House of Assembly. They lock up for our side. This one is sad because of godfatherism, because of loyalty. This thing not the only they happen for Nigeria, they happen for Europe here. Person will be saying you feel like they loyal to because of say you know what they do again. For that reason, it go they narrate you, they go say you be bad person. So many things they happen. This godfatherism, what you go cause, Nigeria no go ever fit settle again. You understand? For Barack, he never really come out, can't tell us waiting he promise Wike, where be say may they make all these things they happen. And may Wike still come and may can't tell us waiting he really need from this man. The homage where this man not pay, where be say may he make on the world, where be say he make this man tenor to become useless. He use a tire. This thing it did very, very annoying. People they send and give me say I decided to just bring and come on and wash am. Mona see how governor of a state, number one man of a state, they outside, they lock him. House of Assembly, they not let him enter. This is what they call a barakos. This is what they call filaga filibenjis in House of Assembly. I already give up for Nigeria. Make una wash am, and as you dey wash am, the chair made the whole world sing and say, man, Nigeria not fit settle again. Ogboge story standby.
They should use the street inside. Nobody left. Take, bring out. Touching microphone. Where's the microphone? Touching microphone. Okay, the background. Just this one. All right, great.
Okay, next one.
Come on, turn. All right, come on. Stop.
I'm here myself this morning with members of the few members of the council to comply with the Supreme Court judgment. Before my arrival, there's several attempts by phone call to reach the speaker and other members. I also did a letter personally which was transmitted to the Honorable Speaker for this particular invitation. But it's unfortunate that at the gate, you can see that the place is completely sealed and there's no sign that anything is going to happen today. The reason why we're doing this, I've always said it, is the interests of our people, which is the most important thing. Well, I don't think there's anything to worry about. Maybe they are working on their letter. I expect to hear from them maybe after this hour. Thank you.
Thank you.